Hey sewing friends, Alice Murray with Murr-Made Designs. I am the Murr of Murr-Made Designs. And you are joining me, you know the routine, on day 77 of 365 days of Sewing Makes, where I will attempt, this is like tightrope walking over the Niagara Falls, I will attempt to show you 365 days of garments that I have made. And today is day 77. And I'm very excited about today. I'm always so excited. Couldn't wait to show this to you. And again, going to start with my grateful thread, because today I am grateful for the enablers. People like my dear husband, people like my dear sister-in-law, people who send me all sorts of things. And today I want to say a special thank you to Charlene, who sent me this material from Fabricland. And I made Vogue, a Very Easy Vogue. Bought this pattern at Fabricland, my favorite place to buy cheap patterns. It is Vogue 9270. It's a tunic, and it has like kind of a bell sleeve, princess seams in the front, kind of a curved hem, zipper in the back, which I did not put in, though I did put a like a slit and a hook and eye. That I think I could have got away without that too. If you can get your head in, you really can get into the thing. Yeah, so you can color block it. It has princess seams in the back too. And I will give you a twirl and then we'll talk about it. Beautiful flowy fabric from Fabricland. Thank you, Charlene. I was just thinking I would like some white crepe to make a top with, and some white crepe showed up. It's very beautiful crepe, and it's got this kind of print on it. What do you call that print? It's not a plaid. But anyways, I cut it on the diagonal on the two main pieces and the top of the sleeves, and then cut it straight on the sides. And I think I did a whale of a job of matching this up. I was surprised myself. I made it a little bit oversized, and the sleeves are a little bit long, but you know what? I actually like them. I kind of like them that long. It's because it's such a nice drapey, flowy kind of material that I don't want it to be, you know, kind of tight or close fitting at all. I also put in a slit in the hem that wasn't in the pattern, but I just thought that might kind of just add to the overall flowiness of it. Is flowiness a word? It's my word. Flowiness. Yeah, so very pleased with how this turned out. So shout out to Charlene. Thank you for sending me this beautiful crepe, and I hope I did it justice. And just want to also show you, Charlene has a website called Sparkling Spoons. She makes these beautiful bracelets. Isn't that nifty? Out of spoons. I just love my bracelet. So, Sparkling Spoons, check them out. So, yeah. Vogue 9270. White crepe. I think you're a good combo. And I hope all of you are sewing. there's probably lots of reasons to sew now. Christmas is coming. Lots of things that can be made. I hope you are sewing, because sewing is so much fun.